Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. I am here with yet another stitch which uses double crochets and front post double crochets, and these front post double crochets cross one over the other. That is why I have named it as FP Criss Cross Stitch. Okay, to make this stitch we require multiples of 12 plus 8 chains as the foundation, and this particular piece I have worked with Clover 5.5 mm Amor hook and Hobby Store grayish brown Aran yarn, which is 100% premium acrylic anti-pill with medium weight 4 and color code 2012. I shall be demonstrating also with the same yarn. I shall make the required number of chains for demonstrations and get back to you. I have made 12 plus 8, 20 chains. To begin with, make a double crochet in the 4th chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4th chain from hook. And make 1 double crochet each in next 4 chains. So you have 6 double crochets here. Now skip the next chain and make a double crochet in the next, and you make a double crochet in the skip chain over the double crochet last made. So again skip the next, and you are basically making a cross stitch here, cross stitch DC. Make a DC in the skipped chain over the last DC made, and one more time skip one chain, a double crochet in the skipped chain working over the last DC worked. So this is only for the first row. From next row onwards it's going to be front post crisscross double crochet. Again, now place 1 double crochet in each of the remaining chains. That will fetch you 6 chains. This is row 1. For row 2, you can make chain 3 and turn. That will be counted as a DC. Otherwise, turn and make a standing twisted double crochet in the very first stitch. Then 1 DC in each of the next 5 DCs. Now this is where our front post crisscross starts. Skip the next DC and make a front post double crochet on the following one. Now make a crossover front post double crochet in the skipped DC. This is what over it. So you get a cross. Again skip the next stitch, make a front post double crochet over the following DC, and then front post double crochet in the skipped DC, crossing over the last FPDC made. So one more time in the next set. And now place 1 DC in each of the remaining DCs. So row 2 is a pattern repeat row. So here we have to be very careful. We have the turning chain here. So do not forget to place a DC on the third chain of the turning chain. Otherwise we'll end up with one stitch less. This is where it is a little dicey to pick up. So this will go a little bit to the side. Picking up under those two loops is very, very important. Okay. For row 3 again, you can either make 3 chains and turn, or turn and make a standing standing twisted double crochet, then 1 double crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. So this is the wrong side we are working. Now you're going to make a simple cross stitch, so you'll skip the next stitch and make a double crochet in the following one, and now come back and make a double crochet in the skipped stitch over the last stitch worked. Repeat this 2 times. And the third time here. And place 1 double crochet in each of the last 6 stitches. So rows 2 and 3 are the pattern repeat rows. This is how it will look. So my finished product here gives a beautiful crisscross effect. The other side will have ridges. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. Thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the stitch, and you can use the stitch in combination with several other stitches in any pattern that you're working with. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every day. And there is a beautiful cal coming up. It is crocheting a sari blouse. Please look out for announcement in the Magic Needles group. Thank you friends. Have a great day. Bye.